Tonik is one of the digital banks in the Philippines. One of its offers is the time deposit account. A time deposit is similar to a savings account, but it earns higher interest over time. It offers 6% annual interest. In case if you want to withdraw the money from your time deposit, there are no penalties and fees, but interest rates will default to 1% per annum. Minimum amount for time deposit is 5,000 pesos and minimum duration is 6 months. Choose the amount you want to invest and the time duration. The greater the amount and time duration, the greater the earnings. Then click I'm interested. Then you'll be able to see the interest you will be earning after the date of maturity. Accept to the terms and conditions. Then click Let's open this time deposit. Tonik is supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The money is insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. All Tonik products, including time deposits, are insured up to 500,000 pesos per depositor by PDIC. If ever you want to cancel your time deposit, please contact or chat Tonik Customer Care.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe also. For any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.